Namaskaram. Recently, I did a workshop on how to manifest and create your dream job, how to get the career of your dreams, how to get that job, how to prosper in your career. And the most common question that I was asked was, how do you network in LinkedIn? Because my workshop didn't only involve the mindset you need to keep, but also some practical tools and tips. So there is a video that I've recorded which walks about it's a recording of my workshop, not the exact workshop because I keep my workshops very confidential, but I had pre-recorded the workshop just for my YouTube audience. So check out that video. I'll put it in the description or in the comment section. But during this live workshop, I was asked, how do you build a good LinkedIn network? How do you build those connections? Building connections, building those relationships takes a lot of effort. It takes your perseverance and your determination. You would have to knock at least 1,000 doors to get 100 resourceful connections. And out of those 100 resourceful connections, 10 might be your go-to people at any circumstance. So yes, networking is a skill. Networking is a learned skill actually. So how do you network? In LinkedIn, initially this feature of personalized invitation was free, but now it comes only with LinkedIn Premium. So if you actively want to create these network of useful resources, useful people, I highly recommend do the LinkedIn Premium and reach out to people not by just blindly sending a connection. Send them a personalized invite, which means when you do the drop down of those 3 dots, you will get an option to send a personalized invitation. In that, write why you want to connect with them. Ideally, it should go something like, I'm interested in this and this field, and your profile inspires me, and I would love to know your journey and your career path and the actions or things that you actually did. And I would love to learn from you. Tell them the reason why you're connecting with them. Because if you reach out to any stranger, they would obviously think, I don't know this person, I'll take my time or I'll decline. But if you give them a reason why you're reaching out to them, the probability of them accepting your invitation increases a lot. And second, now LinkedIn has changed a feature where they directly ask you, when you're going to send that connection invitation, the LinkedIn profile actually will ask you whether you want to send a note along with it. So it's actually saving you and actually hinting to you that, come on, add a note in there. So please use this feature. It's very important. I have made so many connections. My career success, honestly, I am so thankful for my network. Because if people know you, they will pitch in for you, and they'll also share so many crucial suggestions and advices and things and what you can do so that you stand out, your profile stands out, and you actually get a job. So for that, you need to actively make time and reach out actively to these people. And after somebody accepts your invitation, send them a polite hi and thank them for receiving and accepting your invitation. And tell them that you would like to speak with them. You would like to chat with them virtually. In North America, there's something called coffee chats, where you can actually meet in person for a coffee, or you can do a virtual coffee chat. So this is a thing. Now, according to your geography, you would have to change it a little bit. But if you're in North America, USA or Canada, you can ask them, can I chat with you virtually, or would you be happy to do a coffee chat? This is actually informational interview, where you are gathering information for your new career path on the job that you want. And it is highly respected, and people love other people taking an active pursuit for their career. So this is one of the best ways to engage on LinkedIn and to network and create beautiful resource of people. I hope this is helpful. Take care. And if you have any other questions, put them in the comment section. I would love to answer them, and I wish you the very best. Take care. Bye.